Hey guys, showing you this Bruno Marc shoes. So as you can see, comes in a really nice solid box with this cloth protective cover. These are the loafers with the brown color, the grayish shade. So these are the nice loafers with the laces. Protective one. Design is really nice as you can see. Vibrant stuff, good stitching on the side, and cloth and the sole with the split sole. So see the design is really nice, looks good as well. And this one is this size where you can just try and test, available in different sizes so you can try. And then this is the soft material on the side, so looks really nice, comfortable, soft insole, outside protective, nice loafer to wear anywhere you want.